Hey my loves, I'm back with another video. Okay, so I ordered this probably like a month ago. This is from Nail Glamour Supplies store or something like that. I'll write it down, but yeah. Um I found them on Instagram and I hear a lot of good things about them, so I decided to try their stuff out. So it's Nail Supply Glamour. That's the name of the place. Um I got like a few things. So right now I'm just showing you guys some rhinestones. I got AB crystals. Oh, no, Swarovski, my bad. Um, Size wise, I cannot tell you. Um, when I first ordered these, I thought they'd be like a little bigger, but I was mistaken. That was my fault, but it's okay. I'll work with it. And next right here we got some. These are actually glow in the dark, you guys. I was kind of confused by the way they look, but they're glow in the dark. Can't wait to try those out. And this right here in my hand, I'm super excited. I can't wait to try this stuff. It looks so bomb, especially that rose like right in the middle, and it's gold and it has the blue in it. So yeah, I can't wait to try those things out. I think it'll be pretty awesome. Nice stuff. And right here I got some flowers. These were $2. I thought they would look a little different, but hey, I learned my lesson. So right here I got some stickers. There's some lips and some drip. I had to get this color, and I also got another color with the same design on it as well. So this one's like more of a white, yellowish kind of color going on. And right here, I got was it calligraph or something like that? I forget the name, but I got that, and they're in gold. And I got some more decals, stickers. Got some money signs going on. Can't wait to try that out. And I also got their crystal clear acrylic. I just want to see what that was about because I'm not really feeling the Mia Secret because I use slow set and monomer, and I don't know. I think it wasn't as clear like I wanted it to be, so I wanted to try this out. And I got their odorless monomer as well. Want to see how that goes. The last one I had was the brand Sherry. So yeah, I'm gonna try this out. I'm gonna do a little smell test to see how it smells, and it smells okay. It's not really a strong smell at all, and it's not as oily as the other one I have, which is a big plus. So right here, I'm just gonna try out the acrylic and the monomer, and I am using the Nails Candy Shop glitter in his Radioactive Mermaid. I think this color is awesome, you guys. You guys should try it out. Check her out. She is on Instagram and YouTube as well. And check out her website. It's the nailcandyshop.com. Shop is with two P's. Sorry. Um, but yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed the video so far. It's gonna be really, really short, so not really a lot going on. But how's you guys' day going? I know everybody's cooped up in the house if they're following the rules or whatever is going on. Just to don't be out there hanging out with people and all that other stuff. Like still see it going on. I don't know what's going on. It's kind of weird. The place I stay at, there's like no visitors, and I see people coming left and right, bringing people over, having beers and stuff. So I'm kind of scared. So I'm trying to just keep isolated and stay in my building, not in my building, but in my apartment. So yeah. So far, I really, really like this. The monomer. It has no smell to it, and I haven't really noticed any oily residue so far. But I think if I practice more with it, I might have a little bit since it is a slow set monomer. So yeah, the size of the brush I'm using is a number 8, I believe, 8 or 6. But Don't mistake me, but it's one of those two, but I'm pretty sure it's 8. So after this, I'm gonna go off the camera and do all the filing and buffing. And so right here, I'm about to put on the top coat for Model 1s, you guys. I did the filing, the buffing, and the capsulating off camera. Pretty simple. So we're about to show what this look like, you guys. See how clear it is. See, I got the Model 1's top coat. If you haven't tried it out, try out their top coat. Top coat is bomb. Look at that. That is so pretty, you guys. And you see how clear it is? It's like really clear. I like how clear it is for acrylic. It's pretty clear, in my opinion. I haven't used that many acrylics, but hey, I don't know, but it seems clear to me. So you guys let me know what you think in the comments below. Have you guys tried them out? Have you ever heard of them or anything? Yeah, their stuff is pretty reasonable. Um, yeah, there's a lot of stuff on their website, so check them out, you guys. I hope you enjoy. Talk to you next time. Bye.